I never thought that I would be this close to mountains, this ancient, this massive, this stillness. It's so worth spending time with yourself and getting all your shit together. I mean, all of it. What I'm experiencing is priceless. There's no name. You could call it freedom, you could call it peace, but that doesn't encapsulate this. You have to be in it. You would have to understand how connected I am and how I got here. Kim didn't plan this. Kim could never think that she would be sitting across a mountain in Provo, Utah. Kim don't know how to think that broad, but awareness does. Consciousness does. Gratitude and stillness does. And because that's where I live, this is where it brought me. No job, training trader, living off my investment, but I'm out here with unmatched faith, solo, not afraid. How can I be? How can I be? When I'm loved and supported beyond, I couldn't even see myself here. Huh? Just being still. Dealing with my shit. How I show up. What works for me. Getting through all of that. Feeling it. Being with it. Getting sober. Staying put. Cleaning up my finances. All of that shit. No distractions. You gotta not want to be distracted. Go and get you one of these. Chicken salad.